Hello friends, how are you all? My name is Sajid Mughal. Today I am going to deliver this lecture on Excel. In Excel, how we can make a salary sheet and payslip. Let's start our work. I have made already a pattern, so to save the time, I'm writing over here company name, ABC company, salary for the month of December 2015, and month days are 26 because there are 31 days in December, but I have written only 26 days without Sundays. So let's write the name of the employee is Shahid Khan, Sajid Mughal, Abdul Majid, Amjad Ali, Wasim Akhtar, Sana Ahmed, Tanzila Khan, and so on. I have limited. Employee code is employee number 1, employee number 2, employee number 2, and then drag it to the and designation Shahid Khan Afridi is GM, General Manager. Sajid Mughal is Accountant, ACCOUNTANT, Accountant. Abdul Majid is Sales Manager. Amjad Ali is Manager. Supervisor. All three are supervisor. Now basic salary of Shahid Khan Afridi is 50,000. Sajid Mughal is on 45,000. Abdul Majid is on 40,000. Amjad Ali is getting 30,000. Supervisor, this is getting 20 and this is getting 20,000. Work days are 26 days. Is Abdul Majid attendance is 25 days. You can get this from attendance sheet. Amjad Ali is on 23, 26, 25, 26, and bonus allowances, other allowances, accommodations, etc. Shahid Khan Afridi is getting 5,000, 2,000 allowance medical, 2,000, 3,000 medical allowance, 2,000, 1,000 and 1,000. Now I am going to compute gross salary. Gross salary is I'm going to compute gross salary. Gross salary is equal to sum salary divided by 26. I'm going to fix this, multiplied by work days plus bonus. Oh, it's great. This is not good. Is equals sum basic salary divided by 26 multiplied by attendance plus allowance days. It's great. Now just copy paste, or there is a mistake. I'm going to highlight this. I have to fix this because month days are same for all. Now I'm going to drag this, it's working fine. Now I'm going to in the portion of deductions. He has got, suppose Shahid Khan Afridi has got 2500 as advance salary. He has Sajid Mawal has got 6000, 5500, 5000, 1000. He has got nothing. 2000 per month loan deductions. Maybe their employees have taken some kind of loans which they are deducting on monthly basis. Shahid Khan Afridi is taken loan of some, you can say 5 lakh and deducting 5000 per month, 2000. He has no loan, 1000, 1000. So account receivable, other recoveries like this, drawings for entertainment expenses, other expenses. Now total deductions are is equal to sum total deductions. Now just control D. Total deductions are completed. Net salary is equal to gross salary minus deductions. Okay, that's working well. Now my salary sheet is completed. My salary sheet is completed as well. Now I am going to generate pay slips, which is on sheet number 3. I have written over here company name is equals this company name. I'm going to fix it. Pay slip dated when I have to pay this. No, this is in lowercase, this is not good. You can use uppercase formula over here. That's great. Date. First of all, I have to write here employee code, on which I have to do all the other computations. Employee code is over there. I have to mention now employee name. Employee name is equal to V. Look up on the basis of employee code and table employee. Select all and fix this by pressing F4. Then name is on column number 2 and then 0. Oh, that's great. Now just copy the formula and paste it designation and change the column number. Column number designation is on column number 3. So change this on number 3. So GM. That's great. Now just copy this formula and paste it in basic salary. Basic salary is on column number 4. You can look from here 1, 2, 3, 4. That's great. Now dated, on which I have to pay the salary. Just is equals, fix this on this date. Date is fixed. Work days, copy this, paste it over here. Work days is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write column number 6 over here. Narration. In narration I'm going to use concatenation formula because of month and year will be changes timely. So I'm using over here concatenation. Concatenate text salary for the month of this, and second text will be our month name, and then a space, then third text be available year name. Oh, salary for the month of December 2015. Now I am going to check this. December, January 2016. Now I am going to check this. January 2016. Oh, that's great, it's working well. Now I am going to copy this formula and paste it here to get the gross salary. Gross salary column is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I am writing word number 8. This gross salary is advance salary. Copy this formula and paste it over here and just change the column 8 9 10. This is on number 10 now. That's great. 10 11 12. Now I am going to compute net payment. You can get this net payment from here, or you can count it over here. Is equal to gross salary minus advance minus loan minus account receivable. Net payment is 47,000. Both sides are equal, debit side and credit sides. 47,000 is net payment. You can clarify them over here. Yes, that's great. Now one slip is completed. Now I am going to just copy the other and paste it over here and change the employee code on number 2. Yes, I have just write number 2. Data of employee name Shahid Khan. Data of Shahid Khan is available. Employee name 2 Sajid Mughal. Data is available. You can copy this for other employees and just paste it over here. And AMP number 3. That's working well. Hope you enjoy this a lot and it will be helpful for you. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and give your feedback for other videos like this in Excel. If you have any confusion in Excel, you can send me a feedback in comments of this video. I will be prepared. I will be try to prepare formulas and solution of your question. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.